Assalamu alaikum students, I hope everybody is doing well. So in previous lesson we have discussed the summary of try again in a detail. Let's just have an overview so that we quickly move towards the question answers. This inspirational poem has been written by William Edward Hickson. He says that no matter in whatever problem you are, never despair. Always pay your best efforts to solve the problem by trying again and again until finally you succeed. So let's just quickly move towards the question answers. In this, we'll be doing block questions as well as comprehension questions. So let's quickly move towards the block question. Block question number 1. What does the word persevere mean? So in this, we would have to tell the meaning of the word persevere. So the answer would be, as if in previous lesson we have discussed in a detail, the word persevere means to be persistent, consistent, steadfast or determined in your action or in your belief. So the answer would be the word persevere means to be persistent or steadfast in an action or belief. Block question number 2 is, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain this sentence. So in this we would have to explain the meaning of this phrase, that the failure is not a disgrace. The answer would be, if we strive after failure and compete steadily for a good cause, it is an honor, not a disgrace. Third and last block question is, why is the poet repeating the sentence, try again? The answer would be, the poet wants to give emphasis on the importance of try again and again. Obviously, if we want to tell the importance of something, we put emphasis on that thing, so as the poet does. Now let's move towards the comprehension question. Question number 1 we have, what is the lesson taught in the first stanza? The answer is, the lesson that is taught in the first stanza is that we should keep on trying patiently, courageously and persistently. We should not feel ashamed even if we do not win the race. That's the lesson that we have learned in stanza number 1. Let's just move towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what can we learn from failure? Which means, what we need to learn from our failure, because failure is the good teacher. Answer is, we can come to know about our weaknesses and shortcomings from failure. After overcoming these weaknesses, we can become successful. Obviously, if we would try and fail, and then afterwards we'll be learning about our shortcomings, and for the next time we'll be improving ourselves. Question number 3 is, how is failure not a disgrace? Answer is, failure demands us to keep on trying in a better way. If we learn something from failure and take it positively, it is not a disgrace. Question number 4 is, how many times should we try and why? Dear students, there is no limit of trying. You can try again and again till you achieve your goals. So the answer is, there is no limit for trying again. We should always keep on trying till we achieve our goal. Question number 5 is, what should we do if we find our task hard? So the answer is, if we find our task hard, we should not give up, hope, and keep on trying again and again for our success. Obviously, if you're finding something hard, put your effort on it and eventually you'll be finding it easy. So the last question is, give an example of struggle from... So my dear students, I would not write down the answer of this question because I know that everybody has gone through with their different struggle in their life. I would appreciate if you would write down any incident of your life by yourself. Let's take a complete overlook of the questions and answers so that you may take screenshot and learn it afterwards.